Are you feeling overwhelmed and stressed? It might be time to clear the clutter and create a peaceful space where you can find inner serenity. Start by organizing your belongings. Sort them into 3 piles: keep, donate, and discard. Be mindful of what truly brings you joy and let go of things that no longer serve a purpose in your life. Once you have decluttered, it's time to clean. Dust and wipe down surfaces. Vacuum the floors, and let natural light flow in. A clean space promotes a clear mind and calmness. Add elements of tranquility to your space. Arrange fresh flowers, light scented candles, or incorporate soothing colors. These small touches can create a peaceful and harmonious environment. Make space for yourself. Clear an area for yoga, meditation, or simply a quiet corner where you can unwind. Find moments of stillness and allow yourself to connect with your inner self. Take a deep breath and soak in the tranquility. With a clear and organized space, you'll experience a sense of peace and calmness that will positively impact your overall well-being. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips on creating peaceful spaces.